Good day, everybody. My name is Wahyu Prabowo, and today I am presenting my comparative research report, Business Innovation. In this presentation, we will analyze the battle for the future of digital platform ecosystem by examining two tech giants, the global powerhouse Tencent Holdings and Indonesian flagship digital ecosystem, PT Goto Gojek Tokopedia. To begin, let's set the strategic context. Both Tencent and Goto operate across identical high-frequency consumer touchpoints: social networking, e-commerce, fintech, mobility, and digital lifestyle services. However, their core innovation philosophies stand in a stark contrast. Tencent operates a closed, high-margin self-enforcing social and content flywheel. In a contrast, Goto has evolved into an open-loop, asset-led ecosystem orchestrator, and today we will unpack how these two strategies create and capture value. Goto's formed in the May 2021 merger of Gojek and Tokopedia. Goto initially faced severe capital constraints and high cash burn following its 2022 IPO. In January 2024, Goto executed a bold strategic pivot by controlling stake in Tokopedia to ByteDance TikTok Shop for $840 million. Goto eliminated heavy operating expenses and transformed into an asset-light orchestrator centered on Gojek on-demand services and Goto Financial. By quarter 3 2025, the strategy yielded a result. Goto achieved core GTV of more than 100 trillion rupiah. Now move to the Tencent. Founded in Shenzhen in 1888 by Ma Huateng, Tencent is anchored by the WeChat, which reached 1.4 billion monthly active users as of March 31, 2026. Tencent operates across the three main segments: value-added services, marketing services, and fintech and business services. Tencent relies on a deep capital reserve and a high operating margin driven by a proprietary digital content, whereas Goto focuses on a post-divestment margin recovery through a lean operation. Moving on to the financial and operational metrics, this slide highlights the contrast in scale and margin profiles between both companies. In quarter 3 2025, Goto recorded a core GTV of 102.8 trillion rupiah. A strategic pivot to an asset-light model is paying off, generating an adjusted EBITDA of 516 billion rupiah while maintaining a cash reserve of 18 trillion rupiah. On the other hand, Tencent operates a global maturity in 2025, generating a 751 billion. Its fintech and business services segment alone accounts for nearly 230 billion RMB. In short, this number illustrates Tencent's high margin scale ecosystem versus Goto lean and a post-divestment margin recovery. Now, let's examine our first innovation topic, the business model innovation. Tencent utilized a closed super app architecture, while WeChat keeps users inside its ecosystem where the social engagement drives gaming, advertising, and WeChat Pay transaction, sustaining a high 51% gross margin in its fintech segment. On the other hand, Goto pioneered an open-loop orchestration model. Instead of burning capital on e-commerce logistics, Goto collect a 40 basis point passive service fee from the TikTok Tokopedia entity. In a fintech, Goto embeds GoPay tabungan directly with a Bank Jago, using Jago balance set to fund to 75% of its loan book of balance sheet. Moving to business model innovation, this comparison highlights how both companies structure the value creation and to capture it. Our second topic is open innovation. Tencent flagship open innovation driver is WeChat Mini Programs. Launched in 2017, Mini Programs allow third-party developers to build apps directly inside the WeChat. And now the Goto practices open innovation through strategic joint ventures and deep API integration. By pairing TikTok social media and traffic with Tokopedia logistics, they integrating GoPay directly with a Bank Jago in an investment platform like Bybit and Stockbit. With the open innovation comparison between Tencent and Goto, Tencent drives open innovation through the WeChat Mini Programs, while the Goto, on the other hand, leverages open API strategic equity partnership. Topic 3 explores technological innovation for sustainability. Tencent focuses on infrastructure decarbonization, aiming for 100% green power by 2030. And whilst in a Goto drive ESG through its 3-0 strategy, through its Electrum joint venture, the Goto electrifying Gojek two-wheeler fleet with a local EV production and battery swapping. Furthermore, Goto's AI dispatch algorithm reduced the drive idle time by 50% and lowering emission while boosting driver income. Moving on technological sustainability, the both companies embedded ESG commitment directly into their technical choices. Finally, the topic 4 analyze managing and innovation process under Paul Trotz's framework. Tencent balances rapid, low-risk micro-innovation such as continuous feature updates and Tencent Docs, and while the GoTo manages innovation through multi-corporate collaboration sprints, developing products like GoPay Tabungan and embedded BNPL inside the TikTok Shop requires synchronizing real-time API ledger across separate regulatory. And both the companies manage their innovation processes by core process methodology, uncertain map position, new services, and regulatory navigation. In conclusion, our comparative study highlights two successful paths for digital platform leader. The Tencent demonstrates the power of tightly integrated, closed ecosystem that maximizes user lifetime value, and GoTo proved that an open partner-led orchestration model can successfully de-risk capital requirement.